Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to import and export pages in PageFly for your Shopify store. This feature is very helpful if you want to back up your page, reuse designs, or transfer layouts between stores. Now, on your Shopify dashboard, all we need to do is click here in the upper left part of the dashboard. We just need to type PageFly. The result will appear, and we click on it. Once we do this, we just need to click Install. Then, click Install again to confirm so we can use it on our store. As you can see, it is now installed. The next thing we need to do is click on Pages. Let's wait for it to finish authenticating. Now, once it's done, we just need to click this page, then click Next, and Next again to start creating or skip onboarding. We are now on the PageFly dashboard. To import or export a page, just click on Pages. From here, we will see the option to import a page. Once we have a page here, the export option will also appear. To import a page, we just need to select the file on our computer. Once selected, click Open and it will be imported to our Shopify store. Now, to export, just click the page. The Export button will appear. If it does not appear, it is because we do not have a page yet. So let's create a sample blog page, like a regular home page, and publish it. We now have a sample page. We can now see both the import and export options for our page. That's how we import and export pages in PageFly for our Shopify store. With this method, we can save time and easily manage our page designs.